Today we will discuss about view range tool in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. Let me explain to you step by step that how to use the view range tool. First, create a new project using the architectural project template. Now we make a small room in it which have constraint level 2. Place a door on the wall. Now let's create a section view. Select the tile view in the View tab to bring up the two views and maximize the two views from Zoom All. Detail level of both views set on Fine. We give the door height dimension so that the level is in front of us while giving offset view range. Fine. View range is present in the Extents heading of the Properties palette. This tool is only available in floor plans and ceiling plans and not available in any other view like 3D view, elevation view or section view. The view range dialog box can be accessed by pressing the view range edit button in the Extents heading. The view range consists of two sections. First, the primary range and second, the view depth. The first key in the primary range is top. The upper boundary of primary range is top. You will not see any objects above the top. After the primary range top is cut plane. Cut plane is used to cut the view. It does not practically cut objects but shows visually cut objects. The primary range is the bottom after the cut plane. Primary range bottom is the level of accessibility of objects. Cut plane to bottom is the visible range of objects. This is followed by the second section view depth. We will see the objects as far as the level we set in view depth. Primary range and view depth combine to form view range. The associated level in primary range is level 1 and the elevation is 0 of level 1. The more offset we gave from the level 1 elevation 0, the more will be set in the top elevation of primary range. Top level elevation value always have to give above or minimum equal from cut plane. Otherwise, view range will show error. If we set level above level 2 in the primary range top, the top will be set to level 2 elevation. You can also set the offset to 0 because the level 2 is above the cut plane elevation of level 1. And if the top value is set to unlimited, then the top is always above the cut plane and we cannot access the offset. Objects will be deducted from the cut plane offset we set. For example, set the cut plane within the door height dimension, so it cuts door, which we can see in plan view. If you set the cut plane above the door, then we cannot see the door and only the walls will be visible. If you draw a pipe between the primary range top and cut plane, the pipe will not be visible because of the floor plan visible range is set between cut plane to bottom. This is the pipe we can see in the section. If the cut plane offset is given above the pipe offset, then the pipe will appear in the floor plan. Just as we can give primary range top, level above and unlimited, so we can give primary range bottom, level below and unlimited. Level below will drop below the associated level and in the unlimited option we will go to the bottom. Similarly, if the pipe elevation is below the primary range bottom and view depth level, it will not be visible. If the pipe is between the primary range bottom and the view depth level, then we can see the pipe, but we cannot access it. The pipe will be accessible when the pipe elevation is set above the primary range bottom. Keep all these options in mind. Let me tell you the difference between floor plan and ceiling plan view range. The floor plan visible range is from cut plane to primary range bottom and the ceiling plan visible range is from cut plane to primary range top. The view depth and primary range bottom of floor plan are same and the view depth and primary range top of ceiling plan will be same. So, in today's topic, we have studied the view range tool in Revit. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.